Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're comparing two popular steam mops, the Black+Decker steam mop, known for its affordability, and the Shark S7001 Mop, which boasts innovative features. Let's see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Black+Decker steam mop is a steal at just $49. Reviewers appreciate its cost-effectiveness, especially for a steam mop that performs well. In contrast, the Shark S7001 doesn't have a listed price, leading to some confusion among shoppers. A common sentiment among reviewers is that if you can find it, it's worth considering, but the price is often elusive. Next, we have chemicals. The Black+Decker steam mop is celebrated for its chemical-free cleaning, making it a preferred option for families with pets and children. Reviewers love that they can clean without harsh chemicals. The Shark S7001 also claims to be chemical-free, which has earned it praise among pet owners. Reviewers mention that both mops make cleaning easier without the worry of toxic substances. Now, let's discuss heat-up time. The Black+Decker heats up in just 30 seconds, which is a big plus for those looking to clean quickly. Reviewers rave about this feature, stating it makes mopping less of a chore. On the other hand, the Shark S7001's heat-up time isn't specified, leaving many to assume it may be slower. This uncertainty has drawn some skepticism from potential buyers. Moving on to surface compatibility. The Black+Decker steam mop is versatile, working well on sealed hardwood, tile, stone, and more. Reviewers appreciate this flexibility, especially in multi-surface homes. However, the Shark S7001 lacks clear information on its compatibility, which makes it hard to gauge its effectiveness on different surfaces. Some users suspect it might only be suitable for specific floor types, causing hesitation among buyers. Next up is maneuverability. The Black+Decker features a swivel head that reviewers describe as easy to maneuver around furniture, making cleaning a breeze. Its design is praised for reaching those tricky spots. The Shark S7001, however, is noted for its self-moving capability, which some users love, but others find a bit unwieldy. Reviewers highlight that it may take some getting used to, especially when turning it on. Finally, let's talk about cord length. The Black+Decker has a 12-foot cord, which many users find helpful, although some still wish it were longer. Reviewers have mentioned that an extension cord might be necessary. The Shark S7001's cord length is a mystery, with no clear information provided, leading to concerns about its usability in larger spaces. In summary, the Black+Decker steam mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, while the Shark S7001 is recognized for its innovative features but lacks clarity in several areas. The overall sentiment for the Black+Decker is positive, with many users satisfied with its performance, while Shark's reviews are mixed, highlighting both effectiveness and concerns about durability. So which steam mop do you prefer? The reliable Black+Decker or the innovative Shark? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links.